Hello everyone. Today I feel there is a strange energy around and I decide to keep my headphones on and just stay for myself. This is why today I will not share my ideas with you, my answers, the things I find, the pictures I have. But what I will give you is questions this time. So you can work on this yourself. Maybe this is even better for some of you to be reached, right? Okay, I'll give you the questions now. See, for people who go through abuse, and everybody goes through abuse if he is not completely isolated from the world or the biggest abuser himself, because who not mistreats people gets mistreated. Oh fuck, I just started to tell you my ideas. Okay, I don't want to do this. Right, sorry for that. So whoever experiences negativity, whoever experiences passive or overt aggression, whoever goes through abuse, he will be faced with a paradox situation in the first glance, and that is, how do I heal when I have to fight? How do I heal when I have to fight poison with poison, fire with fire? How do I stay and become positive again when I have to give negative people the same medicine they give to me? Yeah, how do you do it? I'm just asking you the question. And yes, I have a lot of answers to it. But why should... Yeah, today is not sharing day, right? Okay. And I'm also gonna ask you, what can you learn from nature? What can you learn when you observe an eagle that is followed by crows and he just spirals higher and higher? And the crows falling back, going back. When they can't see the ground anymore, they go back. What can you learn from that? What can you learn when you see a tree above the tree line? When you look at the tree, at an old tree, at a seasoned tree, when the blueprint for the shape of the tree are his leaves. In certain trees it is that way, but the tree looks a little bit different. What can you learn from that? What can you learn when you understand that trees are deeply rooted in dark soil, in the darkness, in depth, but they grow into the light, and they need both parts. What can you learn when you understand that the upper part of the tree is mirrored in the realm, in the dark shadow realm of earth, of the soil? What can you learn from that? What can you learn when you see the sun? Okay, enough for today.